God's peace be with you. We will speak of Ayah 13:17 that says we sent water from the sky and floated over it residue that is useless. Let's find out what God is telling us. Look this video. Rain comes and what happens? Flash floods that soils, mixes and carries heavy stones, muds and residue floating on it. Landslides. What is the cause of this? Slides. The cause of these slides are slippery clays. One of the clays is bentonite clay. When it absorbs water, it swells 10 to 15 times its mass, and when dry, shrinks. Bentonite, which is called volcanic ash, and other forms of clay that causes landslides and rivers of mud. What is the composition of bentonite? This is the data sheet. It's made of oxides of calcium, sodium and silica, little magnesium and aluminium, and traces of boron. Why bentonite clay is called volcanic ash? Because when volcano explodes or eject lava mixed with gases from inside the magma, they eject with them minuscule gases that when sediments and hydrolyzes and aged is transformed to bentonite clay and other clay types, but the composition is the same but hydrolyzed after aging. So bentonite, because of this, is called also volcanic ash. What about Ayah 13:17 that says they put on the fire to smelt, to take precious metals, jewelry and ornaments? We will search how they do it. The ore of copper or gold or dust is mixed with a flux composition of silica, calcium and sodium carbonate, magnesium dioxide, and the flux is mixed with the dust that contain gold and put it in the furnace and smelt it, as God says in the ayah. And they put it. After solidification, what stays in the ground is gold and semi-precious metals mixtures, and what stays up is slag that is thrown for no use. Slag looks like basalt, doesn't it? They and bentonite and clays are made from basalt flue, and gold comes down as Ayah says, and what stays up? Residue slag. Metals are heavier and settles in the ground, and lighter slag that stays up. Compare the composition of the gold flux and the bentonite volcanic ash. Composition is the same composition. How Quran knows that bentonite and clays are erupted fly ash from exploding volcano lava? That is the same used for smelting metals, yet nobody knew bentonite and clays that formed from volcanic ashes, and its 19th century discovery, and that fly ash that weathered over time transformed to bentonite clay that causes landslides as mentioned in Quran. So bentonite and clays are the same composition of flux mixtures to extract gold. Just another further information to seal the proof. We talked that clays are from volcano tuff or ash, from volcano explosions. Well, you may wonder what are the rocks and sands are formed of. From igneous rocks, formed from magma or lava. Magma means partial melting. Why partial melting? Magma, because it contains different minerals. Every mineral has its own melting point, and when this rock are eroded, sands form according to each rock composition. Look, this kind of sands and colors, and not like clays which is made of volcano tuff. They don't contain different minerals. They are close composition of the smelting fluxes, which contain the same composition. Rocks comes very large variety kinds of compositions. Who knew that clays are ejected volcano tuff? The clays that we see are from volcano tuff, weathered over thousands of years to become clay soil. Look, ayah that says zabad, residue, is the same as a smelting slag residue. Thank you, God, for your miracles.